Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials where we learn more about our basics. In this video, we are learning making numbers. So what is making numbers? Making numbers is an idea that one large number is made of two smaller numbers. Why is this important? Well, it will help you to learn addition and subtraction later on. For example, if you know that 9 is made of 5 and 4, you would know that 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Let's start with the easiest one. What are the numbers that make 2? 2 is made up of 1 and 1. What are the numbers that make 3? 3 is made up of 1 and 2. You can also say that 3 is made of 2 and 1. The numbers that make number 4 are 1 and 3 and 2 and 2. Numbers that make number 5 are 1 and 4 and 2 and 3. Let's see what numbers that make 6. 1 and 5, 2 and 4, and 3 and 3. How about we make number 7? 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4. Let's make the number 8. 1 and 7, 2 and 6, 3 and 5, as well as 4 and 4. Let's find out the numbers that make number 9. 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, and 4 and 5. Finally, we are making number 10. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Now you know how to make numbers. Let's test yourself. See if you can answer these questions. 3 and 5 make, 6 and 4 make, and 4 and 2 make. Let's test yourself another way. 4 is made of 1 and 5 is made of 3 and, as well as 8 is made of 7 and. Lastly, see if we can list out which two numbers that make number 9. Hey, thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.